Hello beautiful, so I combined these two locks like a week ago, but I don't know why it has been paining me for as long as that. I tried to find out where the pain is coming from, but I actually don't get it, and I thought maybe I should just lose it and do it separately again so that I can have some kind of relief. Probably I pulled strand that I'm not supposed to pull, or I did it the wrong way. I don't know. I actually don't know what I did, but I'm going to be loosening it so that I can do it again. I have finished losing this one, and this is the one I'm yet to do. So I'm using this barbecue stick with pointed mouth. So I switched to a toothpick because I was finding it a bit difficult to use that barbecue stick. Now I'm done loosening it, and I'm going to cut it into my desired size. And this time around, instead of doing twist, I'm going to use braid as the starter lock, because that's going to stretch it, unlike twist that we shrink, seriously shrink after some time, but braid will not do that. So I'm going to be using braid. So because it's a bit difficult to braid it all the way to the tip, so I'm going to be twisting the tip of it. So it is tight enough at the roots. I'll just interlock it once with this pin. So let's do the second one. So I'm not going to be interlocking this one because it's tight. So let me try as much as possible to avoid the painful experience. So now we are having new locks. Okay, I wonder how it's going to turn out in a couple of weeks. Maybe it's going to swell, shrink, whatever. However it turns out to be, I'll keep you guys updated. So this is a lock that I combined. I don't know, I wonder why it is halfway, so I'm just going to join it together. So if you want to see the detail of how I combine two tiny locks, you can check out my previous video here and you'll be well informed. Alright? So stay beautiful, stay blessed, and I'll see you in my next video.